This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Marignone. Looking for your ideal 2-bed/2-bath plus den Florida home? Look no further. Walk in this beautifully upgraded open floor plan home and enjoy the stunning upgrades throughout, such as the weathered oak porcelain tile flooring, tray ceilings, quartz kitchen countertops, stainless steel appliances, microwave, and large kitchen island. The zero-corner sliding glass doors allow you to open up the home and really enjoy Florida living. Relish the spacious master suite and spa-like bathroom, with dual sinks and a walk-in shower with seamless glass. 8 feet solid core interior doors, custom wood blinds, a built-in custom master closet, and 5.5-inch baseboards are just a few of the many upgrades you will enjoy. Other upgrades include storm-smart electric shutters, a 10x12 garage extension, a large laundry room with extra cabinets, and counter space. All of this is with a lake view and 10 minutes from Red Sox Jet Blue, Twin Stadium, airport, restaurants, and shopping. Bridgetown, a premier Pulte community, offers numerous amenities including a resort-style pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, outdoor grill, fire pit, bocce and tennis courts, pickleball, and amenity center. For more information, review the details below or contact Jerry Marignone at 239-887-8858.